welcome Deogratius Wamala, and we welcome you to give us a few details on the question of the Airtel IPO. We understand that it has been extended for 2 more weeks instead of stopping actually Wednesday and Friday tomorrow. So people who want to buy will have 2 more weeks to purchase these shares. You have been following the story. Give us a brief on what has happened, what has prompted this action by Airtel and the regulators.
Yes, thank you for having me. Actually, Airtel IPO initial public offering has been extended to October 27th. That's 2 weeks from now. In the last days of the public offering, Airtel has found itself with a chunk of retail investors, but few institutional investors. Sources say that Airtel is trying to garner so many investors in institutions. This possibly could be pension funds, insurance companies that look for returns on these investments. But right now, they have few investors. Ugandan's firms that have gone public recently have not met the subscription as investors really wanted to. The last company that listed was quite substantial. It had a fintech arm. Airtel is not listing that arm. And investors are trying to rethink, how could I possibly invest in a company that doesn't hold this and yet its value dipped to this amount? What else is Airtel trying to offer at this moment?
Yeah, there was an issue you spoke about retail investors, and you spoke to the spokesperson of Airtel. What did they say about the retail investors in as far as the 2 weeks are concerned?
Airtel right now, it really wants retailers. And the regulator capital markets is really vying for that, because most of the companies that are listed in Uganda on Uganda Securities Exchange are dominated by institutional investors. Institutional investors hold stake and make counters dormant, which reduces the liquidity. And that's something our market has been suffering from. And this, because Uganda right now, so many investors are trying to sell their stake, but there are no people around to buy the stake because of that illiquidity in the market. So capital markets is trying to promote the retail investors participating in this. However, these people are considering so many things.
Thank you very much, Deo, for those details you have given us, and we are going to keep an eye on this story through you. Well done, and looking forward to more details.